National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 521, effective until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Acadia, Evangeline, Iberia, Lafayette, St. Landry, St. Martin, St. Mary, and Vermilion, and the following coastal locations: Vermilion Bay. Coastal waters from Intercoastal City Law to Cameron, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intercoastal City, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.